What's up guys, it's a known optimist. I wanted to check in today about Palantir and specifically about Peter Thiel selling a bunch of shares, practically $500 million worth of shares. And as if we needed more bad news about the stock market or the stocks we all love, let's check it out. Before anything else, I appreciate if you smash like and subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, I appreciate it on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So yesterday we had a bloodbath in the stock market. For me specifically, it was, I think, one of the toughest days in terms of actual dollars. It was a bloodbath for Palantir, Tesla, Nano Dimension, Nanox, all the companies I hold. Some of them were in the green, which was okay, but also my Riot options and Bitcoin was crashing. And I'm not sure if it's only because of Janet Yellen's speech yesterday where she talked about raising taxes, corporate taxes, and taxes on profit in the stock market, as well as Bitcoin. But yeah, we cannot expect the stock market to go up every day. Today it's really early for you guys in the States, but futures are looking quite green. I know it doesn't say anything, but hopefully we're gonna have a good day. If not, could be a good opportunity to buy into some of the companies you all love. Back to Palantir. So I thought it was a great opportunity to buy Palantir at the lower levels after the lockup period of 24.7, 24.8 or 25. This is where Cathie Wood and Ark Invest doubled down on their amount of shares and bought a buttload of more. I think it was 5 million shares. I covered it in a different video, as well as many other institutions and retail investors. Everybody was rushing in to buy. The sad thing now to hear is that I was afraid about Peter Thiel and Alex Karp and all the insiders selling, and it's okay to sell some. I'm not blaming anybody here, but let's just look at the message here. So, according to Street Insider, and it's all over Twitter and Reddit obviously, Peter Thiel disclosed he sold over 20 million shares of Palantir on the 18th of February through a 10b5-1 trading plan as the lockup expired. Thiel is the chairman of the board and one of the founders of the company. Shares were sold at prices in the range of $25 and $25.9 per share. Thiel converted Class B common stock into Class A common stock before the sale. The value of the stock sales were over $500 million. So $500 million sold by Peter Thiel. And I'm going to look at it in Guru Focus, which is a great company to analysis stuff, and as well as insider trading, insider selling and buying, I should say. And you can see that Peter Thiel sold on the 18th of February 20 million shares. It says here that the shares he owned are still 165 million. I need to look into that because I was seeing people saying he was selling 20% of his stake, so I'm not sure about that. Cost basis, like we said, 5 billion. You see all those footnotes? That's because it's really the way they did the listing and distributed shares was very unusual and confusing. They did like Class A, Class C, Class B. Yeah, so I will link also to that. We can see another insider, Stephen Cohen, Andrew, was selling 2 million shares as well. And if he only owns now to 200,000, it's a big sell. I mean, what a vote of confidence. Now, just as a side note, that some people are saying on Twitter, on Reddit, that Peter Thiel has been buying through other companies. So he might be buying for tax reasons, for his own portfolio management reasons, through other companies of his or different entities. But I was looking into that and it was not from 2021, so I don't think it's relevant for this sale right now. All in all, if it's just 20%, 10% from his stake in Palantir, I don't think it's something monumental, and I'm not seeing Alex Karp selling on the lockup. But if he did as well, if you'll know about it tomorrow, I wouldn't be surprised. Think that you have $10 billion in one company. It's been 17 years in the works and it's going public, and you need to fund other things. Peter Thiel has other companies like CMPS, he's doing some SPACs. So yeah, you need liquidity, it's okay. If it was 100%, that would be something different. So that's it. I have the SEC form here as well. You know, I would wish, like we're seeing Ark Invest and Kathy Wood buying into the company, I would wish seeing the insiders buying, but that's difficult. It IPO'd at 10. They've been holding it for almost 20 years. I wouldn't expect them not to sell. So there's that. Take it with a grain of salt. And I just wish it wouldn't do more selling pressure. I wish this wouldn't push the stock way down. And who knows, I might even try and buy into more of Palantir if it's below 25. But as I said, I started the video with the whole market being so red yesterday. It was eye-opening. So I'm not the one to think, oh, it only goes up. But seeing these amount of drops, 5%, 6% total drop in your portfolio, which is quite diverse, it's something. It is something. So yeah, that's the update. Let's see how it goes. Hope you guys like it. Hit the like button and subscribe if you appreciate my videos. Help me out with the YouTube algo, and good luck with investing.